Y'all remember when the homie Rock Lee almost died when he went on a marathon and was asleep for 3 days straight with the homie Guy? God damn. Bro got slept more on than the homie Garo when Rock Lee opened his gate. I tricked the G when he opened the gate from the jungle lane, bruh. Anyways, Rock Lee was slumped until Granny gave him that curry of life. That John looked kinda sus, but you cannot deny that John was guaranteed bussin', bro. He ate that John, got rebooted like the homie Floyd or the homie Connor with the Phoenix Down back in FFTA, bro. But here's the problem with this thing. That John looks disgusting, bro. I mean, that curry of life is really blacker than Vanna Black from the Action Lab, and ingredients that look straight out of the cooking from the snake lady from a not so kid friendly show. How the heck did Rock Lee get up like that with these ingredients they put it in, bruh? Perhaps we can discuss that it was so bad that Rock Lee had to get woke so he can stop eating that John. As we saw later, Rock Lee had that John again and ate it like it was his last meal on Earth, bro! On the other hand, all the other homies literally got more slumped on than this little dude. This curry was probably only for those with the most refined palates like Rock Lee. So I'm here to propose a better recipe. This new recipe gonna make the curry of life look actually edible and more palatable. Because that John before looked like it'll give you saturation 10. Because you don't want to eat that John no more after taking a bite of it. Anyways, this new recipe is guaranteed to be bussin' for everyone. This John gonna give more benefits than just resin people. As if you're resin the knocked homie in Fortnite. Before I show you guys how to make it though, you gotta know some things first. Alright guys, first thing you gotta do is do the ultimate meditation technique and open your third eye like the homie Buddha. We need this John so we can get that mental clarity to make the best curry ever. Once you got that down, you are gonna need to know how to fix a PC with all the viruses in the world. I mean, this PC is straight from 1992, running on that Windows -78. John literally runs slower than the brain of a silver player, locking in brand mid every game, bruh. Like, you're gonna need some serious skills for this task. Screw the final bosses in game like Melania from Elden Ring nowadays. Back then, the homie Bonzi Buddy makes Melania look like a minion. And I mean a minion from League of Legends, not from Despicable Me. Mad respect to the brothers out there with the bananas. Alright, once you got those things down, let me show you how to make this now. Alright guys, so we got green onions, bell pepper, garlic, and chicken thighs. You're gonna chop those Johns up and then put it in a hot pan of oil. And we just gotta let it cook until all the water is gone so we get that John brown through the Maillard reaction. I learned that from Adam Grucia. So now we're making that rice. Yeah, so we're gonna be using the chicken tikka masala sauce. I got it from my mom, and it's bussin'.
Guys, it's looking pretty brown. I think we're ready to put in the salad.
Damn, bro, that looks like me after Taco Bell. But yeah, it looks done now, and let's get ready to eat it.
We're just gonna sit here and stuff.
OMG, guys.
No, it's actually so good.
So this is just bonus footage of me cooking up a Goku salad. I still actually eat this recipe because it's bussin'. That was my breakfast for that day. But yeah, that one was pretty good. And shout out to the homie Rock Lee from Naruto, bro. He's cool, man.